And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
You guys remember when I said in last week's video that having no space to work on a car inside or indoors is going to be something to get used to? Well, ever since we moved in 4 days ago, it's been raining non-stop. So the cars have just been chilling, this one under the cover. I'm still waiting on the hood. Hopefully later this week I'll get that back. But I have been taking the time to unpack and start getting settled in. The workshop is really starting to take shape. There was a lot of cleaning up to do. This was actually just like a woodworking shop, so a lot of cleaning up. So I already got my cupboards in here, starting packing out the tools. I still have to put up the lights, so I'm gonna put all these lights up that were in my previous garage. So we'll have 5 lights in here, which should be plenty enough. And then yeah, just started unpacking and getting everything where they need to be. And then I just need to clean up the floor, get that back in here, and then we should be able to start working in the workshop. But I will update you guys as we go. But this video is going to be a bit of a different one. So we have an event coming up later in this month, and I really want to go, but I don't think I'll go with the Benz or the Ford. Somebody asked me to go with them, but their car is having some issues. We're going to be helping out a fellow car guy, just giving a hand. He has this insane Ford Escort. How crazy is that? Cars doing wheelies? Come on, man. That's just wrong. But anyway, let me give you some specs on the car. This is Chris's 1980 something Ford Escort 2-door with a fully built Mazda FE 2-liter 16-valve gold top. Running on a Dictator engine management, Toyota D4D gearbox, twin plate clutch and Bridgestone Potenza semi-slicks, and of course an Afrox inspired welded diff. Then it has a custom made turbo manifold that flows into the massive whole-set HX40 turbo with a HX52 compressor wheel, making around 380 kilowatts on 1.8 bar boost. The event we want to go to with this thing is in a couple of days, but currently the car is having some clutch issues. To sort that out, the engine and gearbox has to be taken out, so I thought I would give the guy a hand and get that sorted out. Hopefully we can fix it and go to the event, but I thought this was a great opportunity for me to help a fellow car enthusiast out and also, more importantly, learn something. Funny enough, today is the first sunny day we are having, but anyway, let's fire up the Benz, head on over there and get started. Okay. Seriously doubt if it'll fire up. The battery is kind of on its way out, but let's see. Okay. There we go. Kind of surprised, but yeah, let's get on the road. Oh no, I need some fuel. Yeah, definitely.
it. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
This more. And we made it. I need to stop inside somewhere. Now his Corolla is in the way. So he doesn't want me to leak oil all over his new garage floor. But there we have it. The 10-second Ford Escort. And you know things are serious when something has a roll cage. Three short hours later, we had the engine out of the car and the gearbox off to take a better look at the clutch, and then we found this. Pretty sure that that is the clutch issue we are having, so one of the nuts came loose. So when we put everything back together, we'll just give all of them a bit of Loctite, and yeah, hopefully the issue would be at an end. Chris had to go take care of some other business, so we called it a day at that. But as from today, when you guys are seeing this video, we have 7 days to finish the car. Put everything back together. We still need to figure out a catch can. We need to replace the fuel lines because they are kind of old. And then also get the car tuned so we are sure everything is ready to go. We'll get into all that in the next video, but as you can see, I also made some progress in my own workshop. So I got the lights up and then I also got the floor back in here. For now, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and then I'll see you in the next one. Mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crowd, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud and I'm gonna get y'all. She will be good. These ladies know that I'm sick. This is just the beginning. I'm closing in and I get it.